Just because a person lacks the use of his eyes doesn't mean that he lacks vision, said Stevie Wonder, the famous American singer who is visually challenged. Yet most of us find it difficult to believe and accept this. Visually challenged people are capable of doing many things as competently as non-disabled people. Look at these youngsters packing power and punch in their karate moves. Incidentally, they are visually challenged students of the Indian Association for the Blind, or IAB, in Madurai. Doesn't their power-packed performance challenge popular notions about visual disability? Every morning, the golden glow of the rising sun bathes the temple towers of the Meenakshi temple in Madurai. The city stirs and throbs as people go about their lives. The temple city of Madurai is also home to another temple of rehabilitation, the Indian Association for the Blind. Indian Association for the Blind is located in Sundarrajanpatti, a lovely little village on the outer fringes of Madurai. The 27-year-old Rehabilitation Institution for the Visually Challenged was founded in 1985 by SMA Jinnah, the well-known visually challenged activist. Jinnah lost his vision when he was just 13 years old. His ordeals and his empowerment through education sowed the seeds for his vision of total rehabilitation. Through this, he hoped to integrate visually challenged people with the mainstream. The managing committee of IAB consists of 13 members. Of these, 6 are visually challenged women and 3 visually challenged men. IAB is the only institution of its kind in India that offers comprehensive rehabilitation services for the visually impaired to make them self-reliant.
Actually, the public is overestimating the problems of the blind people. At the same time, they are underestimating the potentials of the blind people. It is not the fault of the public, but the blind people have to prove themselves that they are not a liability, they are not burden to the society. They must work hard to become a regular citizen, at least to the maximum possible.
The capacity building services include skill training like IAB computerized braille press, recording library, computer literacy, IAB orchestra, and bookbinding. The access to education services include the IAB Higher Secondary School, integrated education from class 1 to post-graduation, the Braille Library, Tutorial Center for Distance Education, and the Lending Library. The employment opportunities include the Tata IAB call center in the campus, the deflashing unit in collaboration with High Tech Array in Madurai that makes automobile spare parts such as oil seals, and the light engineering unit that makes foldable canes for the visually challenged. In Tamil Nadu, out of the 30,000 educated and vocationally trained visually challenged people, 20% are being educated, rehabilitated, and even employed at the IAB. IAB began with just 8 students. S. Paunathai 60 and A. Sermathai 62 are among the first batch of IAB students. Today, after successful careers as teachers in government schools, both of them teach at IAB. Their inspiration? SMA Jinnah, of course. Since inception, IAB has educated and rehabilitated more than 6,000 visually challenged students. Some, like Dr. B.R. Ravikannan, are in mainstream professions like teaching. Dr. Kannan is Professor of English at Saurashtra College in Madurai.
Equal opportunities, equal experience should be given to the blind people.
My goal has always been equality of opportunities and experiences for people with visual disabilities. Society needs to be sensitized to the potentials and problems of the visually impaired. They are no different from others, says SMA Jinnah. At a first glance, R. Bala Saraswati, a telephone operator with the Central Bank of India, Madurai, indeed looks no different from others. One of the earliest students of IAB, the self-reliance mantra she learnt here has now made her completely independent. SMA Jinnah is the recipient of numerous prestigious national and international awards for his pioneering work in rehabilitation of the visually challenged. His work impressed philanthropist D.K. Patel of Help the Blind Foundation, Hong Kong, which has supported the construction of the new school and hostel building in the IAB campus. When he was just 18 years old, SMA Jinnah decided to take the road less travelled. And that has made all the difference, not only in his life, but in the lives of thousands of visually challenged people, filling them with laughter and joy, redefining their abilities, reaffirming their worth and dignity as human beings, and enabling them to break free of limitations in their quest for excellence. Why IAB needs your help. India has the highest incidence of blindness in the world. 1 out of every 3 visually challenged persons is an Indian. You can make a big difference by sponsoring the education of an IAB student or contributing to the modernization and expansion of educational and technical courses offered by IAB. All contributions are exempt from income tax under ATG category. IAB is eligible for overseas donations under the FCRA regulation. For further details, contact SMA Jinnah, Founder and Secretary, Indian Association for the Blind, Sundarrajan Patti, Alagarkovil Main Road, Arumbanur Post, Madurai 625 9104. Phone 914523291576 919600822994. Email iabmdu@gmail.com. URL www.theiab.org.